Good morning, dear aspirant. To start with today's news, high-level tech diplomacy. So PM Modi spoke to Elon Musk, discussing avenues to collaborate in technology and innovation in India. So previously, this meeting happened in Washington. So India's commitment towards strengthening ties with the US. It is an objective. Our focus area is electric mobility, satellite internet, and innovative ecosystem. So that India and US technology towards the partnership. And the advantage of e-vehicles is like India has 21 of world 30 cities with the worst air pollution as per data from air quality index. So that is an idea. So, and then satellite internet technology is developed by SpaceX. It is a satellite-based internet service designed to provide high-speed, low-latency connectivity, especially in remote areas. So, Starlink's around 7,000 low Earth orbit satellite form a mega constellation, ensuring global coverage. UTEL satellite, which is a Starlink's closest competitor, operates 630 LED satellite and 35 geostationary satellites. So India's position, India lacks widespread commercial satellite internet also, but the Telecommunication Act 2023 provides for the assignment of spectrum through an administrative process for satellite based services. Next, Supreme Court quashes Delhi High Court order on Wikipedia. So, Delhi High Court directed Wikipedia that to take down a Wikipedia article based on defamation case filed by Asian News International. High Court called the Wikipedia page defamatory due to the reference that were allegedly placing a higher responsibility on Wikipedia. Supreme Court overturned Delhi High Court's directive, noting that High Court's takedown direction was too broad. So Wikipedia structure is free internet encyclopedia, and it is a non-profit foundation, and it is a volunteer collaboration, and it is an open editing technology. So that our country does not have the scrutinizing for legal content, but still under section 79 of IT Act 2000, intermediaries can claim the safe harbor of not being responsible for the content they host. So IT rule 2021 prohibited content categories, that is if it is a false information, or if it is a harmful content, or if it violates the privacy. Cheetah relocation to Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary. So this comes under GS3 environment. So actually the date of transfer is April 20, 2025 from Kuno National Park, Madhya Pradesh to Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary. So cheetahs were brought back to India in 2022 after being extinct in the country for decades. Kuno was developed as a habitat for cheetahs under the Cheetah Project. The relocation to Gandhi Sagar represents the expansion of the reintroduction program to address habitat limitations. Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary is 64 square kilometers dedicated cheetah zone within the sanctuary, and there is a habitat and facilitate preparation is there, and 6 to 8 planned capacity is also there. NCERT textbook naming controversy means overuse of Hindi names for English textbooks, and NCERT says the titles reflect diversity and unity, and it was ongoing discussion about the language policy in education. So, but still it is justified in the name of culture linguistic significance. So NCERT is autonomous body set up in 1961 by Government of India. The core function is to do research, textbook development, teacher training, and education innovation. So the implementing agency for bilateral cultural exchange program. So the organization structure is Joint Director, Standing Committee, Executive Committee, and Union Education Minister. Try to answer this mains question. Discuss the challenges and prospects of India's cheetah reintroduction program in the context of wildlife relocation and landscape-based conservation. Thank you. Have a great